So today starts with some droning. So we flew the drone, and now I should be able to keep up with Jesse because he's already been paddling around for 20 minutes. He's already taken a trail mix break, and I haven't even got my kayak yet, so let's go! Kayaking on the river, lake thing. Which way are we going?
This way.
Okay. I feel like I should probably have my GoPro on. So we started back by the bridge, and we're gonna go this way, but there's running water this way. We can hear it. We're gonna investigate. So we got here, and I don't think it's much that you can see from here, but I've heard there is some kind of waterfall that way.
Oh yeah.
Like, so we will today end up in front of a waterfall that should be amazing, according to Jesse and his friend Greg. But so far, this is just lovely. I mean, I can still see the bridge that we started at, but so far, I give it a like.
I'm gonna go to the left of this tree up here, just for fun.
We found a bald eagle. I don't know if you can see him, but he's up there.
There's an eagle up there. Wayne thanked him for serving our country.
That was the closest I've been to a bald eagle today. So we paddled up what Jesse referred to as the previews, and this bit of paddling is the main event. And it's amazing. I love paddling through places that are like kind of skinny, so you feel real small. And there's lots of trees. There's a little bit of fall foliage. Foliage. The leaves are changing color because it's autumn. So this is quite a marvelous place. Oh look, there's another eagle.
That one's either smaller.
It's a baby. So I just told Jesse I was gonna get an underwater shot, and he's like, no, it gets better, wait. And then he puts his camera in the water. Like right after he tells you not to yet. So they're letting water in and out of the dam, and the place we're gonna park the kayaks, we can't paddle to now. 30 seconds ago we were gonna paddle in there and walk about for a bit, so we'll see what happens here. I think this is where I get out, but I'm not sure because I paddled up and then done got stuck. So I should be fine though. I mean, what could go wrong? All right, I'm out. My kayak is safe for now, but I'm gonna pull it up farther a little bit. A minute ago, this was all underwater, up to this line. Totally fits. Easy. So the waterfall we can paddle to is back there. But this waterfall is up here. But I mean, you can tell that because you've got eyes. I really wanted to be on this rock. It doesn't seem safe. It's smooth and flat. That's okay. I enjoyed the trip over here. It seems like as good a place as any to put the second battery in the drone and put it in the air. Alright, so we droned, we looked at the waterfall, it was amazing. Jesse, I have a quick question for you.
Yeah.
What kind of man was Boaz before he got married?
He was ruthless.
He was the ruthless one. That's bad. Well, you know what they say, it's all downriver from here.
That's true.
Because of the current, you know.
Hey, Wayne.
Yo.
What do you call a chicken looking at a piece of lettuce?
I don't know, Jesse, what do you call him?
Chicken Caesar salad.
Chicken Caesar salad. I learned that one from him and I've used it multiple times. Put that one in your back pocket, Joshua Ververs. Thank you so much, Jesse, for inviting me to kayak today. That was a wonderful place. I could sit there all day and think my thoughts. It was just great being in nature, enjoying God's presence, good conversation. Thank you so much for checking out the video, coming along on the journey this week. We'll see you later, alligator.